Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sculpted Hair. Today we're going to be talking about the best hair creams for your hair to keep the frizz at bay. It is very, very hot right now, and I have the AC maxed out. My hair was such a big frizz ball this morning, and I had to use some creams to calm it down. So this video is to show you what the best hair creams that I've used over the years as a professional stylist that have helped me maintain the integrity of the hair, remove frizz, remove flyaways, and make the hair nice and shiny without weighing it down. I have fine hair, so if you have fine hair, you're gonna love these products. Let's get into number one. This is Oribe. This one is called Matte Waves Texture Lotion. I can never remember the names. Matte Waves Texture Lotion, and it says to glide into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture as you go. Then you can apply whatever product you want on top. So it comes with a stick applicator, and the idea is that you would apply it on damp hair and you would just run it through the hair. I love Oribe products. I really like them. They are very, very high quality. It is a bit of a luxury item, but you know what? They deliver really great results. All of the professionals that I have worked with swear by this product. So I really love this Oribe Matte Texture Wave Lotion. I'm gonna try a little bit on my hair, although I feel like it might weigh my hair down, because whenever a product says that you explicitly have to apply it on damp hair, it means that it needs that water to help it distribute into the hair. So if you apply it on dry hair, it could end up grabbing on all the dry parts and not distributing properly or evenly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this. You could also just take some in your hand and just scrunch it into the hair, and you can see already the waves are defined. So if you have hair like mine that's really fine and wavy, and if you follow me, you know that my hair is fine and wavy and thin on top. So I'm always looking for products that are going to be lightweight and that are going to define my waves without weighing them down. So this is a great product. The only thing that I would warn you about is the smell. It does have a bit more of a perfumey smell. So if you're sensitive to smells, I would try something else. We will go with number two. I love the R+Co Waterfall Cream. I don't have it on me right now. It is one of the best creams that I've ever used on myself and on my clients. If you have fine hair, it's just very, very lightweight. There's also High Dive. High Dive is a cream that also removes texture and frizz, and it just makes the hair really nice and tame and beautiful. It's a little bit thicker than Waterfall. Waterfall is a really nice option if you want something that's super lightweight. It's very watery texture. It doesn't feel like a lot, and I feel like with Waterfall you can just keep reapplying without worrying about your hair feeling weighed down. With High Dive, use sparingly because it can be not heavy, but just a little bit heavier than Waterfall. So I would recommend the High Dive for anyone who has hair that's more on the coarser side. So it could be still fine and wavy, but the diameter of the hair itself, the texture of the hair can be quite coarse, more on the unruly side. But if your hair is like mine, where as soon as I put a product, it's very cooperative, it just takes it, then go with Waterfall. It's just very, very light. I did find that it was annoying how light it was, because every time I would put it on, I feel like I had to reapply every 15 minutes. So that is why I switched to number three, which is my absolute favorite. I just can't live without this one. I replace it literally every 2 months because I use it in the salon and I use it on myself, and that is the Hair Story Hair Balm. If you have watched me and you follow me, you know how much I love this one. You will love this one. My clients love it. Everyone with coarse, thick, wavy, curly, long, short hair is going to love this. If you're a guy, if you're a woman, non-binary, hair knows no gender. Hair Balm is such a beautiful product. It's a type of product, like the dream product that I've always wanted to create. It feels like hand lotion. If you ever use Dove hand lotion, it feels like that. But then you apply it and it just completely disappears and it stays in the hair. You don't need to reapply every 5 minutes like you do with the R+Co product. So I love to put it in my hair. I've put so much product in my hair. I feel like my hair is gonna be so weighed down today. The Oribe is still there. It has a little bit of hold, so I did want to mention that. Whereas the Hair Balm is more for people who want that kind of soft, touchable texture that also adds beautiful shine. Look, I can't even feel it. It's completely gone. It melts into the hair. It doesn't feel like you're adding product on top of the hair. It feels like the hair just absorbs it and loves it. Whatever sorcery is in this product, I can't live without it. It's like a pomade with the hold of a lotion. It's like if a pomade and a hand lotion had a baby, it would be hair balm. Highly, highly recommend. Please check the links below to get yours. As far as the smell goes, this by far is my favorite scent. It's very light. I think it's like lavender. There's none of that artificial scents that you could get with something like Oribe. As much as I love Oribe, the scents bother me sometimes. Even Kevin Murphy, which we will get into next, the smells bother me a little bit. They can be a little bit too artificial for my taste. Hair balm is all natural. Love this product. You can apply it on damp hair or dry hair. Enough about that. Let's move on to Kevin Murphy. Kevin Murphy, I don't have any in my kit right now because I finished it and then I gave away the rest, is the Smooth Again cream. This one is so nice. However, you do have to blow dry it into the hair. I really love it for anyone who has frizzy, unruly hair. I will make another video on all of the blow dry sprays that you should get if you like to blow dry your hair and you like a smooth blowout that stays. So the Smooth Again is one of my favorite products. I sometimes also use the leave-in repair, but the leave-in repair has more protein in it. So not that it's gonna be drying on the hair. It's nice for anyone who has really fragile hair. You can use that as well. It's a nice option, but it's not meant to remove frizz and flyaways. The Smooth Again, the yellow one, is the one that's really recommended for anyone who has frizzy, unruly hair, you know, just wiry hair at the top. If you have a lot of grays, like, you know, those wiry grays, or curly hair that you're trying to straighten, or that type of hair that's not quite curly, but it's not wavy, you don't know what it's doing, you have many different curl patterns on your hair, you're just trying to get a smooth blowout. I really love the Smooth Again from Kevin Murphy, and it is the yellow one. And finally, Virtue. I just got this in the mail and I am really impressed. There's a new brand every day, so I tend to be a little bit skeptical when new brands come up and they're just like, you know, trying to promote themselves. But I tried Virtue and I love this one. Anti-frizz creams are really hard to find. A lot of people ask me about what is the best way to remove frizz. Well, if you're just gonna let it air dry, there's really very limited creams that you can use, and that's why I'm making this video. I want you to know which ones are the best. So I keep trying, and I have very high standards being a stylist myself, and I want my hair to always look nice, right? So this is the one that I used this morning before I started the video. It is very lightweight, so this is what it looks like. And I always recommend that whenever you're applying something like this, a cream, if your hair tends to get on the oily side or your hair tends to really fall flat after a while, you want to apply sparingly. Just apply very little at a time. Always start with small amounts and then add as you see fit. Let's see where I can apply this. I already put so much in here, so I'm just gonna apply a little. Oh yeah, oh my god, look, it already is defining the waves and the curls. Put a little bit here, feels really good. Maybe some in the back. So really good if you have hair that's a little bit drier. This is gonna be really nice for you. Oh yeah, I like this. I feel like this would be a great product if it's a really humid day. I don't wanna remove all frizz. I feel like we're at that phase in 2023 where frizz is okay. Like, you want to embrace your natural texture. You don't want that sleek, like flat iron, whatever straightening that we used to do when we were younger. You don't need that. We want that extra volume. I wanna enjoy my natural texture. The smell is a little minty, which I found a little surprising. It's a bit on the minty side, not too overpowering. That's all that's important to me. That's all I care about. I don't want smells that are too overpowering. I don't mind mint. I don't mind floral. I don't mind anything that is not just gonna like hit my brain and make me get a headache. You know what I mean? So this one is really nice for anyone who wants a little bit of hold and to remove frizz and accentuate your waves. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you join us at our Facebook community. It's still a baby. There's just a few people in there. But if you have any questions, post and I will be there to answer all of your questions. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Let me know what else you guys want to see. All the links are below. I will see you soon. Bye.